first, let's start at the top. XTR brakes, because they use mineral oil, they're easy to maintain. We've got the 1UP EDC, the one where you have to thread the steerer tube. We've got a RRP front mudguard, brilliant, you can get them in big or small. We've got the legendary Pike 150, this is the dual position version. It's got a custom paint job. They go down on a Pro 4 Hope Pro 4 hubs, a brilliant set of Stans Flow Mark III rims, and the ultimate Butcher 2.6 riding on them. We've got one of these motherload straps with pumpy type shit in there. We've got 140 Travel Fox RP float thing, whatever that is, on the back. It's locked out. It's got 3 positions. This is it fully open. The Pike's got 3 positions. I forgot to tell you that. This is it at 130. This is it at 160 or 50. On the back we've got another Flow, of course, and we've got a 2.3 Slaughter semi-slick on the back. We've got the big Hope hub on the back. We've got 180 brake things, discs. Listen to this. That's the Hope Pro 4. It's got 44 teeth. That's it. Is that a minute? Oh no, I forgot the seat. This is a 1UP dropper. I've shimmed it so it's exactly fits my inside leg. That's it.